If you told me there was a strategy in real estate that produced double, triple, or even quadruple the cash flow while eliminating the repairs and killed vacancies, cut out property managers, and put thousands of dollars in your pocket up front, all without needing perfect credit or piles of cash, I'd tell you that strategy has a name, and most investors have never actually used it correctly. It's called a lease option. And in 2025, with interest rates still high, banks tightening standards, and millions of Americans getting rejected for home loans, lease options aren't just powerful, they're necessary. They are the pressure release valve on an economy where people still want homes, still want stability, but can't get approved the old-fashioned way. Today, I'm going to show you why these lease options became the foundation of my first $1.6 million net worth by the age of 26, and why they outperform rentals by an average of $40,000 per deal, and why in this market, that gap is often $50,000 to $70,000 of more profit. I'm going to break down the numbers in plain English, and I'm going to show you how you market it, how you qualify the right family, and how you do sandwich leases that require even no money and no credit and no banks. And if you're somebody who already owns rentals and you're tired of repairs, tired of landlording, tired of vacancies, tired of playing that whole game, I've got one small gift for you later in this video. My team actually has a done-for-you lease option system that is nationwide that can help you transform your rentals into major cash cows. And I'm going to show you briefly how that works. Just once, no pressure, but you need to know that the option exists. For now, lean in. Because if you've ever wanted a real estate strategy that's fast, safe, predictable, beginner-friendly, recession-proof, inflation-proof, this is 100% what you're looking for. One shot, now the future is yours. Go! So Tyler and I have transacted over $1 billion of real estate over the last 15 whatever years, but both of us got started in the game and leveraged lease options heavily. Tell me a little bit about your experience with doing rentals and lease options, and why is lease option more of a superior game?
Yeah, a lot of it depends on market conditions, right? We did a lot of lease options, Kris, back when, after the financial crisis, people's credit was down, but they still had capital, and they'd maybe lost a home and wanted to get back to home ownership, and so there was good demand for that type of product. And so we implemented, we did hundreds of houses, and then we shifted to just normal long-term rentals because of the market shift. And now you look at the opportunity today, there's a lot of people that want to own, but owning is really expensive right now with higher rates, higher values. And so lease option is a pathway to ownership where it's more affordable today. And then by the time they own, it's highly likely that rates are going to be down. It's more affordable. Yeah. So there's huge demand right now. And along the way for the investors, the landlords, it's more profitable.
Yeah. You own a very sizable portfolio. You've done very well over the last 20 years, but you're starting to shift the game more towards lease options right now. What's happening right now in the economy that has you want to do that conversion, and what are some of the benefits that you think investors are going to be facing?
A couple things. First and foremost, tenant turns, vacancies, and repairs. Okay, those are two big things where it just really eats into your ROI and your cash flow, and lease options basically solve both those problems. You know, you do a 24 or 36 month contract and you have no tenant turn every 12 months and you have no repairs because they're in charge of repairs because they're learning how home ownership works. And they take better care of your property because their goal is to own. And so there's less damage happening to the property as well. So those are two of the key factors, but we can also charge above market rent with a percentage of that going towards future equity for these guys. So you get more cash flow along the way. And then we lock in a minimum purchase price that we're okay selling it at in the event that they elect to buy. And if the market appreciates at a higher clip than we kind of built into the contract, we still get all that upside. So in summary, it's more cash flow by increased rents, reducing repairs, reducing vacancies.
Perfect. You see, a lease option is simple. It's just a rental agreement with an option to also purchase the home down the road. That's it. But the reason it's so powerful is because the person moving into your property isn't a tenant. They are a potential future homeowner. They are invested in the property. They are going to be the ones to take care of the property. They are going to be the ones to fix things. They upgrade things and they protect it like it is already theirs. The first time I did a lease option, I was a broke college kid. Literally, I had bought a house with a $40,000 equity position and it needed some love. My mortgage payment was right around $600 a month. And someone walked into my open house and said, well, how does this lease option thing work? And I had never really done one before. I explained it as best I could. I went over the numbers the way that my mentor taught me. And basically I said, you put a down payment. In their case, they gave me $7,000 down up front, and they paid me $1,500 a month. So I had a $900 positive cash flow spread on that property. Crazy. And because it was a lease option, I wasn't paying for repairs. I wasn't paying for a property manager, and I wasn't dealing with turnover the way that normal landlords do. It worked so well that I bought another property. And this time I bought this house with like $80,000 of equity. I bought it below market. I bought it from the bank as a foreclosure. And that was a 3,000 square foot home. And I remember I did the exact same thing. I posted signs in the yard, and it said basically no bank qualifying. And I held an open house. I had a bunch of people come in on it. And I basically gave out three options. You could put $3,000 down, $5,000 down, $7,000 down. One had a higher cash flow, one had a lower cash flow, but it kind of all averaged out to the same thing. And in the end, I negotiated a family to come in on that home. They gave me a $3,000 down payment. And on that one, that cash flow was $600 a month, because they were paying me $1,500 a month and my mortgage was $900 a month. That family ended up not actually buying that house, which is typical. There's reasons why families actually don't always move forward and buy the home. Maybe it could be that they got relocated again, or they didn't know if they would actually be able to qualify for the house down the road. Maybe they just wanted to have the option open. This family didn't take it. And then I ended up listing on the market. And when I sold it, because of how long I had held it, I made $130,000 on that home. By the way, that one deal made me more money in that year than my annual income, which was really amazing. That was the moment that I realized that real estate wasn't just an investment. It's a business model that anyone can run as long as you have the right blueprint. Now let me break down the math and why lease options outperform rentals. If you rent a $200,000 home the traditional way, you'll make about $11,000 over 4 years. That's a little bit of cash flow every month, but then you've got vacancies and repairs and things that are basically whittling that number down. And it ends up being a grind. There's a reason why people don't like playing landlord games. It's also slow, and it follows the rhythm of the economy, not your personal goals. But take that same property, and what happens if you do a lease option? Well, you're going to collect more rent because now you're serving people that banks turn down. You collect non-refundable upfront money, typically $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, or $20,000. You eliminate repairs, and because that's now their home to maintain, they're happy to do that. You eliminate a property manager because it's self-managed unless you're using a nationwide property manager that is doing the lease option for you. Basically, you eliminate realtor commissions. When they end up buying the house, you keep turnover low because you want to purchase. And when all the numbers shake out, the average lease option delivers at least twice as much more profit than a straight rental would, and sometimes a lot more than that. By the way, the exact house I'm talking about, as a rental over 4 years, $11,000 versus a lease option, $65,000. That is a 596% higher return. And bottom line is that's really how I retired at the age of 26. When I came out of college, I had 25 properties on lease options. And because of the money they were paying me, I literally didn't have to get a job. Now, the next thing you're going to want to know is, okay, Kris, so if you have a house or if you're watching this and you have a rental and you're like, okay, if I were to do a lease option, how do you find the right family? Old school, we made signs. We planted them in the yards. They said nothing fancy. It was rent to own, bad credit okay, flexible, open-minded, no bank qualifying, lease with an option to purchase. And I basically put 5 signs around the property, and they were homemade because I wanted to communicate to families that we're not a bank and that we're doing something that is more approachable. And that's part of how we would sell these homes really quick back then. But a lot has changed over the last 20 years because now we can use online advertising to find the people that want these homes. You post online, you run your open house, you gather multiple families all at once, you let them check it out, and basically, you, the psychology, do the heavy lifting that only one family can have the place. One of them is going to rise to the top. You're going to show them the flyer that gives them the different down payment options and the different monthly payment options. And bottom line is, anyone who's interested is going to fill out an application, and then you're going to review that. And as long as the application makes sense, you're good to go. Now, we're talking about a standard rental agreement, but a separate option to purchase agreement. And I've paid my lawyers a lot of money to make sure this works nationwide in all the best ways possible. And I'll teach you a little secret here, pro tip. The reason why we do not combine these two documents into one is because it creates legal ownership rights, which we want to avoid doing that because they haven't actually technically bought the property yet. Separate contracts basically keeps you safe, clean, compliant. My community has been using this model for the last 2 decades, so I've got all the paperwork to help you experience a true win-win. I've said it for years and the market has reinforced it. Lease options literally are the single best strategy. You get the upfront money as if you were trying to flip a property. You get a really high cash flow, significantly better than a rental, which is going to sustain a better lifestyle. And the longer you hold that home, the more it goes up. And so if you play your cards right and you do this strategy right, you're literally earning top investment dollars that an investor can earn in this game. Now, here's the quick aside that I promised you earlier. If you already own rentals, but you are sick of repairs, you're sick of management, my team actually runs a done-for-you lease option conversion system where we basically, it doesn't matter where you are nationwide, we can take your property, we can run it through the system and do the lease option for you. We basically gonna do the marketing, source the family, handle the paperwork, and basically help you earn a lot more money than you would if this was just a rental. Bottom line, lease options changed my life. They took me from a kid with no money, no job, no credit, and no experience to someone who retired at 26 at the time with $1.6 million in assets and over $12,000 a month of positive cash flow. Listen, if you're hungry and you're watching this because something inside of you knows that you are meant for more, then learn the system, use it, apply it, because literally one deal can change your life forever. Because if you can do it once, you can do it again and again and again, and it's ultimately going to shift your destiny. Now, if you have rentals and you want help on this, or you just want to get in the game the most successful way possible, and you want to explore working with my team, click the link below. Let me give you training. Let me offer you the things that you're going to need so that you can successfully rock this on your own, or team up with us and we'll just do it for you. That is an option that doesn't exist anywhere nationwide at all, anywhere right now. Someone that will actually run the lease option for you. You've got it right here. Man, the best time to get in this game really was 20 years ago, but the second best time is 100% right now. Click the links below, get some information, and let's help you get your life jump-started at the next level.